watching The Market Bull. I'm Sarah Powell, and joining me from BeEmotion.ai is CEO Virpi Pennanen. Virpi, thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Sarah. Likewise.
So BeEmotion is described as shaping human-machine interactions and offering AI market-ready solutions. Can you start by expanding on this? Tell us what the company is all about and why it's got such an exciting story.
Yes, look, BeEmotion is all about understanding human behaviour and emotions. And our software empowers solutions, applications that where human behaviour and the reaction to different emotions is business critical.
Okay, so it's a fascinating area to be in. Can you tell us about some of the particular projects that you're currently working on?
Look, there's a lot of different areas that we work in, and our solution is basically agnostic of any industry, any use case. We can work for pretty much anything, but where we're focusing on at the moment is the three different areas: smart mobility, smart living, and smart health. And smart mobility is one of the really exciting areas where we're working at the moment. We're working with some luxury car brands, where one particular use case that I really love working with is where it's all about the enjoyment of traveling in that car. And we're looking at all the occupants in the car and making sure that they're all comfortable enjoying the travels, and should there be, say, a stressful situation, our software can focus on changing the mood in the car, making the occupants relax. We can provide some, music to basically calm people down, suggest some breathing exercises maybe to lower the stress levels, or on the opposite scenario, if it starts looking like people are bored, the car can adjust the seat position to a more sporty driving position, the side mirrors, put on some really good music based on who the occupants are. Say if you have 4 50-year-old women driving the car, it could be some 80s notes that you remember from the disco days, right? So it's all about the enjoyment of travel. On the smart living area, for instance, we have this little companion robot that we built together with Panasonic in Japan. That is focusing on the mental health issues of the aging population. So it's kind of having like a pet that you can talk to that reacts to your emotions, and without having to take them out for a walk. And then on the health environment, one of our solutions is with a company called Pain Check in Australia, which is a solution on a mobile device that can detect pain levels from your facial expressions and vital signs without, if the patient is unable to talk about, maybe a dementia person who cannot express how they feel, so that the nurses then can apply the right treatment and medication.
Well, thank you for giving us some examples there. It sounds absolutely fascinating. And before we go, Virpi, can you just give us an idea of what we can expect to hear from the company in the coming months?
We're going through a very exciting period of our technology enhancements. Our approach to the market is growing, and what we want to do is we're basically moving into a multi-modality phase from the technical perspective, whereas our history, our heritage comes from computer vision, where we use the camera to detect the emotions. Now we're adding both audio and vital signs to the portfolio, so that in the application you can we understand how people feel from how they look, but then you can also communicate verbally with the solution, or you might be wearing a wearable device that detects your vital signs. And from the business perspective, which is where I'm really excited about, is that we're building a go-to-market strategy where we're really going to be pushing out marketing and announcements and hopefully reach more and more people out there.
Well, thank you for telling us all about the business and its strategy. We'll certainly look forward to hearing more in due course.
Thank you very much, Sarah. It's been a pleasure to talk to you.